To find your maps for your scavenger hunt, you will simply log into your Launchpad, your ClassLink Launchpad. You are going to find the folder that says Online Textbooks. Click in that Online Textbooks, and then you'll go to McGraw-Hill Education. Once you get to McGraw-Hill Education, you will see all of your textbooks. You'll want to scroll down until you get to your World Cultures textbook. Open that up. In order to do your scavenger hunt map, you have to be on the correct unit. For this unit, we are not in North America any longer. We are going to scroll down to where it says Unit 4, South America. There might be some Unit 3 Central America. There might also be Unit 2 North America. Remember that Mexico is in North America. But for now, we'll start on Unit 4 South America. Then I click my Go button. I always will default to the unit opener, and that's right here. So I want to go next door to explore the region. Once I get here, you're welcome to explore this if you would like to. There's some great information here, but I am going to go ahead and click on the map. Again, you're going to default to the physical map, and you can zoom in using your plus button. You'll be able to find things that are close up. Over here you will see Mexico, and you will see the Caribbean islands. However, these will not be in color unless you click on that other unit, like I showed you in the beginning. So if I look at political maps, I still see my political countries here and the cities, but it won't be in color like South America is. All right. Remember that you will use population, you will also use resources, and you will also use your climate map. You will need to see the key for each of these maps. So make sure you are using your key where it says land use on the bottom, resources on top. Population, remember cities over 5 million will have a black square on them. And then once this is completed, if you get done before the period ends, you will be creating your own scavenger hunt map for one of your classmates to do or for myself. Have a great day.